Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just want to do a quick unboxing for you of this office chair. So I do most of my work working from home, a lot of stuff on the computer primarily. So I wanted something that was a little more comfortable for me because for the past probably few years, I just kind of sit in whatever I have sitting around. I have a desk at like a stand-up desk, or whatever, but I don't really have a good chair to use when I do want to sit down. So I went ahead and finally bought this one. So again, just doing an unboxing. You see, I'm using my knife to open it while I'm looking at a sign on top that clearly says don't use a knife to open it. But on top, it is protected with this little bit of extra cardboard. But then right under that layer of cardboard, hopefully you can see, is your actual chair, the fabric and everything. So, I mean, recommended don't use a knife. If you do, be really careful. So I'll start pulling out the pieces. Okay, so here is going to be the bottom of your chair, so your wheels. And then along with that part, this looks like it is the, maybe that's the height adjuster, I believe. A little further down in the box is a hardware kit, so you have some bolts and a hex wrench for your assembly. Then divider layer. Then we'll pull out one of the cushions. So which one is this? I'm not sure if this is the back or the seat part yet, but here it is. It does feel, it has a really nice feel to it. You can see obviously it comes wrapped up in the plastic for protection. So I'll set that down and take out the other part. Okay. So here we go. So I believe this part is the back cushion. Still not positive. I'll check it out when I do the actual assembly, but it has a big heavy duty bracket on the back of it. I'm really surprised for the price of this thing. It feels really well built and really heavy duty. A lot of times you buy different furnitures on Amazon, it doesn't feel that strong. It usually feels like it's made to just be as light as possible, but this thing's pretty heavy duty. So impressed by that. Then another box inside of this box, which is kind of your hydraulic type raise and lower plunger deal, whatever you call it. So that's what you got. The rest of the box is empty. So again, guys, I just wanted to show you real quick what you get in the box, let you know my first impressions. So first off, it's packed well, and I'll say it does feel really nice. The firmness feels nice, and I think it is going to be a good product, so I'm excited about it.